How's it going, y'all? So today I got a 300-gallon water storage tote. It was actually used to store coconut milk. A shampoo maker gets 18 of these. She lives somewhere in Mansfield. She gets 18 of these every 2 weeks, and she goes through them. They've been making shampoo for like 16 years, but she was nice enough to bless me at a pretty good price with 2 of these. So we're gonna take these and try. We're gonna try to turn these into the same style wicking pots that I do with the 5-gallon buckets. What I've seen a lot of people do is they just cut the top off. On the bottom, they add some corrugated plastic, rocks, a piece of fabric on top of it, and then they cover it with sand. I don't really like that. I don't really want to do that. I need these to be mobile, and with the 2-bucket system, essentially I can take all the dirt out of one bucket and then just take it apart and dump the water out, and then I'm good to go. I can move it. This is a lease, so I can't really shovel 30% of this with rock and sand. That would be miserable, and I would not be able to move it. So this is going to be experimental. I mean, worst comes to worst, what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut it right down the middle, and if it doesn't work, then I just have 4 raised garden beds. I'm just going to drill some holes in the bottom, leave these metals together till the end, and then just use it as a raised garden bed. That's not ideal. It's not what I want to do, but we'll see. We'll see. Stay tuned, and let's see what happens. All you really need for this project is going to be a saw, and then one of these I forget what they're called, Torx bits, to pretty much get this taken apart. So here we go. So it's not completely done yet. I'm gonna actually add some cotton to the netting pots, some cotton shirt that goes down deeper to the reservoir. Those pots only go 2.5 inches down, but I have 5 inches in total. It's gonna have a 25-gallon reservoir. All in all, this is pretty exciting. I think this one's gonna be filled with corn, and the other one's gonna be filled with watermelons and cantaloupes. Maybe some pumpkins. I don't know, we're still figuring that out, but yeah, still gotta get washed. I still gotta clean up all the plastic and throw that in the trash. Stay tuned, and if you like the video, shoot a like and subscribe. I know I didn't have all the safety gear in place today. Please don't hit me with comments about wearing glasses and not putting my fingers next to a saw that cuts through wood. I'm just thinking about that now. I will get better at safety. That is my promise to you. But yeah, leave a like and subscribe, y'all. It was fun working with you.